Good evening. I am Sharmilan. Welcome to Sharmilan Chess YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain and analyze Lasker rap. This chess trick is also known as Lasker rap, and you will play this with black pieces. You will play this when to open and start the game with pawn to d4. You can understand. I will tell again. This chess trick is also known as Lasker rap, and you will play this with black pieces. Okay, you will play this when your opponent start the game with pawn to d4. Okay, we can start now the positive moves of white. Okay, you can see right now. Okay, first move is d4. Okay, now first move is d4. White started this move. Then you will play d4. The opponent will play d4, d5, d4, and d5. And here white's most common response pawn to c4. And here white's most common response pawn to c4. Okay. Next move is c4. This is a very popular opening, also known. Okay. You are going to surprise your opponent little by playing pawn to e5. Okay, this opening is also called Albin counter gambit. Okay, after that e5, the black move e5, because white is getting a pawn for free here. Okay, he will of course capture it. Okay, he will of course capture it. The next move is d cross e5. Okay, after which you will simply move forward your pawn. Okay, d cross c5 and d4. Next move is d4. Now, as you can also see here, our d4 pawn is very irritating for white. Okay, you can understand. As you can also see here, our d4 pawn is white pawn is very irritating for white. Black pawn is irritating of the white because he also can't move out case b1 knight. That's why many players in this position try to exchange our d4 pawn and they play e3. Okay, players in this position try to exchange our d4 pawn and then play e3. Okay, you can understand. Next move is e3, but you will not move your pawn. Instead, you will keep check with your bishop. Okay, next move is bishop b4 and check. And here best move for white is to block the check with his bishop. Okay, now bishop go to d2. Okay, but here you are going to surprise your opponent, as you will not save your bishop. Instead, you will simply capture his pawn. Okay, after that d cross e3. Okay, and here 90% of players get greedy. They think bishop is for free and they capture it. Okay, bishop plus b4. Okay, the next move is, and with that white has fallen in our wrap, as in next move we will capture his f2 pawn. Okay, after that e goes f2. Now giving check to his king, he will be really shocked to find out that he can't capture our pawn, because if he captures it, then his queen will be gone. Okay, you can see right now this is a perfect and most intelligent game. Okay, after that, Kent obviously he cannot capture pawn in that position, so opponent king is left with only one move, that is king e2. Okay, king e2, and next move will definitely shock him. You will capture his knight with your pawn and the promoting pawn to knight. Okay, f cross g1. Next move is f cross g1 and get knight. Now white king check with black knight. Giving check to the king, And here you must be wondering that why didn't we promote a queen? Why didn't we promote a queen? The simple reason for that is if we promote to a queen, then there would be no check to king, and the opponent will simply exchange queens. That is why it is important to promote knight and give check to white king. And now he capture our knights. Then we will simply move bishop to g4, giving check to his king, and his queen will be captured. Okay, that's why he can capture our knight. His king is only left with one good square, that is ke1. Okay, king e1. Okay, then you will keep check with your queen h4, and beautiful check. Now, in this position, if white blocks check with g3, then you will move your queen to e4 and fork his king and rook. That's why in this position, moving forward is not a good move. Hence, the only move left for white kings is king d2. After that, king d2, after which one next moves are going to be really attacking. We will move our knight attacking his bishop. Okay, then knight c6, when he saves his bishop, after that bishop c3. Okay, king e d2, and next move is knight c6. After bishop c3, then we will attack his queen with our bishop. Bishop go to g4, attack the queen. Next move is queen e1, after which we will long castling and give check to his king. Okay, now check, and to be continue. Okay, now they lose their queen. That's it. Okay, bye.